Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Is your packed lunch routine feeling dull? We've all been there, packing the same plain sandwiches or leftovers day after day. It doesn't have to be that way. The Japanese Bento Box is a fantastic solution for making lunchtime fun, visually appealing, and perfectly balanced. Bento boxes aren't just for kids, they're a great way for adults to enjoy varied, nutritious meals too. This guide gives you easy, delicious ideas for creating your own beautiful bento. We'll show you simple ways to make food look great while keeping nutrition a priority. Get ready to transform your midday meal with some simple, inspiring ideas. Mastering the basics, essential components of a perfect bento. Creating a delicious bento is simpler than you might think. It is about more than just packing a lunch, it is an exercise in mindful portion control and variety. A perfect bento follows specific guidelines for balance, ensuring that every meal is visually appealing and nutritionally complete. Once you understand these core components, you can easily mix and match ingredients to build endless healthy lunches. The magic ratio, balancing carbs, protein, and veggies. The secret to a balanced bento lies in adhering to a traditional ratio. This ratio helps you achieve the right mix of macronutrients without having to count calories rigorously. Thinking about your meal in 4 distinct parts makes the packing process straightforward. By following this template, you prevent monotony and guarantee you get a full spectrum of nutrients. The classic bento ratio is often visualized as 4:3:2:1. 4 parts, 40% carbs. This forms the base and provides sustained energy. This usually means rice, but you can also use noodles, quinoa, wraps, or small potatoes. 3 parts, 30% protein. This is essential for satiety and muscle health. Think about eggs, meat, fish, tofu, or legumes. 2 parts, 20% vegetables. This adds fiber, color, and essential vitamins. Include both raw and cooked vegetables for best results. Green, crunchy, and root vegetables all work well. 1 part, 10%, pickles or fruit. This small portion provides a crucial flavor contrast, texture, and sweetness. Items like sliced oranges, strawberries, or Japanese tsukemono, pickles fit here. Variety is the most important element when adhering to this ratio. Do not rely on just one type of protein or vegetable for the entire week. Rotating ingredients ensures your body receives diverse nutrients and keeps your palate interested. Try to incorporate at least 5 different colors in your final presentation. This usually means you have hit all the necessary food groups. Choosing the right bento box and containers. Selecting the right container is the first practical step toward bento success. The box itself influences your portion sizes and how you organize the food. When choosing a bento box, consider portion size, portability, and material. Different types of bento boxes suit various needs. Single-layer boxes. These are the simplest shape, perfect for salads or meals where you prefer all components in one shallow area. They are often easy to clean and fit standard lunch bags well. Stacked, need-on boxes. These containers have 2 tiers, which is excellent for keeping wet and dry ingredients separate. You might place rice on the bottom and side dishes on the top. They tend to hold larger portions. Leak-proof and insulated boxes. If you plan to pack soup, sauces, or yogurt, choosing a box with secure seals is necessary. Insulated materials help keep food hot or cold until lunchtime, especially useful during extreme weather. Once you have the box, effective organization is key to preventing soggy food. Small, reusable silicone cups or specialized compartment dividers are extremely helpful. These tools serve 3 main purposes. Separation. They prevent juices from one food like a saucy meatball or sliced fruit from ruining drier foods like rice or crackers. Aesthetics. They help frame the meal, keeping colors distinct and organized, which improves the visual appeal. Portion control. Using small containers automatically limits the space available for each food group, making it easy to stick to that 4:3:2:1 ratio. Creative and cute bento ideas, making meals fun for kids. Packing a lunch should feel like a small gift, especially when preparing food for kids. Turning ordinary food into fun shapes encourages picky eaters to try new things and adds excitement to the midday break. You don't need expensive equipment to master this. Simple kitchen items and a willingness to play with food are all you require. Focus on making the food recognizable and colorful. Character bento, Carabin, simple shapes without stress. Carabin translates to character bento, and it is a popular Japanese trend. While some parents create extremely complex characters, you can achieve charming results using very simple techniques. The trick is to use contrast to define shapes quickly. Start with your base, like white rice or a hard-boiled egg. You can transform these items using thin sheets of nori or small pieces of cheese. Here are a few easy character ideas. Onigiri animals. Shape small rice balls into spheres or ovals. Use a small hole punch or sharp scissors to cut nori into circles for eyes and small triangles for ears. Apply these cutouts gently to the rice. You instantly have a cat or a bear peering out of the lunchbox. Egg and cheese shapes. Try using small metal cookie cutters on slices of cheese, ham, or fully cooked tamagoyaki. Star or flower shapes are always delightful and take seconds to create. If you don't have many cutters, simply use the rim of a small mason cup or bottle cap to punch out perfect circles. Vegetable faces. Slice cucumber or carrots thinly. Use a tiny piece of food, like a small pea or a dot of ketchup, to create simple facial features on denser items, such as mini pancakes or savory muffins. Remember to keep the shapes simple. A basic face with 2 eyes and a smile goes a long way toward cheering up a lunch. Color coding success, brightening up picky eater lunches. Color is probably the most effective tool in your creativity kit. Kids react strongly to vibrant, clean colors, which naturally signal excitement and variety. Aiming for a diverse color palette also ensures you hit multiple nutritional categories. If the bento is visually appealing, it is much more tempting to eat. To achieve high visual contrast, always try to place different colors next to each other in the box. Avoid putting red next to pink, for instance. Focus on naturally bright foods to bring your bento to life. Reds and pinks. These provide sharpness. Use grape tomatoes, sliced strawberries, raspberries, or chunks of roasted red bell pepper. For protein, thinly sliced deli ham or smoked salmon adds a nice pink touch. Greens. Essential for health and contrast, greens are easy to include. Think about steamed broccoli florets, crisp green beans, shelled edamame, or sliced kiwi fruit. You can also use small lettuce cups to separate wet items. Yellows and oranges. These add sunshine to the box. Corn kernels, mandarin orange slices, yellow bell pepper strips, or even the bright yellow surface of sliced cheese or a bit of scrambled egg work perfectly. Think of your bento box as a small canvas. Arranging foods by color rather than type makes the meal feel abundant and appealing, even if the total volume is small. Easy finger foods, bento staples kids can grab. Children often prefer foods they can easily pick up without utensils. This is where clever cutting and presentation turn everyday ingredients into perfect, bite-sized bento foods. Finger foods also double as great space fillers, ensuring your bento components stay firmly in place during travel. This prevents the box from becoming a messy jumble by lunchtime. Utilize these simple, grab-able items that work while cold. Octopus sausages. Take mini sausages or hot dogs. Slice halfway up toward the middle, creating 4 or 6 legs. Boil or pan-fry them briefly. The legs will curl outwards dramatically, creating charming mini octopuses. Skewered snacks. Use small wooden skewers or reusable plastic forks to thread small chunks of fruit or protein. Skewers instantly make any item feel special and easy to handle. Ensure the skewer ends are blunt for safety. Mini meatballs or protein bites. Batch cook small, plain meatballs, chicken nuggets, or firm chunks of tofu. These hold their shape perfectly and provide essential protein. Make sure they are cooled entirely before packing them. Roll-ups and pinwheels. Spread cream cheese or avocado over a whole wheat wrap, add a slice of turkey or ham, and roll it up tightly. Slice the wrap into 1-inch pinwheels for an easy, portable carbohydrate and protein source. Adult bento inspiration, quick, healthy, and grown-up ideas. When you are an adult, your priorities shift from making rice look like a panda to simply having a satisfying, nourishing lunch ready when hunger hits. Adult bento boxes focus on efficiency, sophisticated flavor profiles, and maximizing your prep time. These strategies ensure your lunch is something you genuinely look forward to, fitting perfectly into a busy work schedule. We can move beyond simple snacks and create genuinely balanced meals that travel well. These ideas make packing lunch easier and more enjoyable. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.